Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use YouTube on your laptop, step by step. It's very simple, and anyone can do it. First, open your internet browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser you like. Now, in the search bar at the middle, type www.youtube.com and press enter. If you want quick access to YouTube later, you can add it to your home screen or desktop. In Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser window. Hover your mouse over the option called Cast, Save, and Share Tools. A side menu will appear. Now click Create Shortcut. A small box will pop up. You can name it YouTube and check the box that says Open as Window if you want. Then click Create. Now you'll see a YouTube icon on your desktop. Just double-click it to open YouTube anytime, just like an app. That's it. Now you know how to use YouTube and add it to your laptop's home screen. Like, share, and subscribe if this helped.